Morning, welcome to today's show. Today is winter. I'm gonna make a drop box for parcels. You know, from past videos, I don't like buying anything. A couple pallets here. I'm gonna cut them up and see how it goes. I took some of it apart already because you guys know how to take apart a pallet. Alright, let's get started. Okay, here we got them here, all cut out. We're gonna straighten the edges now with the table saw. Alright, we're gonna cut them down. Straighten the edges here. I'll just show you one. You know how to do it. Okay, there they are. 3 inches apart. Looks like we have some cleanup to do. And we'll glue them together. Okay, we're getting these glued up. Brought them inside because my shop isn't heated. Glue them. 4 at a time. It's that way. There we are, all the pieces. Let's go outside and clean them up, glue them back together. Alright, we're just going to square these up. Decide to leave them all in rustic like this. So we're just going to square them up to the size I need. Okay, the back and the front, we'll just put them on at the same time. One and a half. Back. There. Now we're going to make the bottom and make the rest of the pieces. Fit down here. Oh. I need. There. We'll get those trimmed up. Okay, we have all the pieces cut here. That. That. Here. Here. Like that. There. So we'll put it all together. Okay, sorry about the furnace noise, but I put P2000 around here. So you have some time. When you use P2000, you have some time. This needs all night to dry. Let's get her together. Okay, I just put on the hinge, this piano hinge all the way across. Make sure the gap here is the same as there. This one's still drying, so that's why it's clamped. And let's check the half an inch. There. Okay, tomorrow we're going to put shingles on there. You have a nice rustic look. Well, except we have some nail holes through here. We're going to make the cedar shingles like I did for my wood shed. Cover those all up. Alright, we'll come back tomorrow. Well, here's my little drop box. It's this old pallet wood. Yeah, we'll paint her up in the spring when it's warmer. So if you like today's video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment that's helpful for others. Later.